All right, so I'd like to talk about futures, which is what I focus on in trade, and specifically what everyone was talking about yesterday, crude oil. We know the bottom fell out and it was a very large move down, and it seems like everyone on Twitter jumps on the bandwagon and becomes a crude trader that day and is discussing it. With all the buzz about crude, let's dive into a chart here. Let's actually take a look at some analysis, some things that I'd said about crude and whatnot, and how it plays out and how you can benefit going forward if you add this to your repertoire of tools. 2 days ago, I posted a tweet and it said something along the lines of the high of day today was a very clear retest and very clear rejection of a key reference, which is VWAP for the year in crude, as well as VPOC for the year in crude. Okay? VPOC is an acronym, VPOC, for the volume point of control. And what that is, if we take a look at the chart here, is it's that highest peak on the right edge of the chart. You can see that's the volume where there's a little red dot right there. That is the most highest traded price for the entire year of 2017 in crude. 2 days ago, what we did was that high of day came right up to that price and we rapidly rejected it. This is a pretty common market profile, volume profile concept. This is not something that I pulled out of thin air here. As a profile gets very mature and very Gaussian, the very good-looking normal distribution, as we can see we have here on the year in crude, we feel that that profile is mature and becoming ready for a new price expansion in one direction or the other. And very, very often, as we see happen in crude, that move starts from the point of control, the most traded price of the market. So that's exactly what had happened. That's why I tweeted it and I said, this is something to keep track of. This is something to be aware of. We've just rejected the big point of control and VWAP for the year. Following day, yesterday, we see the result of that. Okay? So adding that small tool of keeping up track of where the volume is trading, where the most traded price is, can add a ton of value to your trading and help you see what the market is doing. Hope that helps.